There are over 27,000 handcrafted beverage shops in Taiwan, facing various challenges, including high labor costs, inconsistent beverage quality, and difficulties in achieving precise formulation. The only technology platform in Taiwan for the research and pilot production of plant-based milk products has been established by Food Industry Research and Development Institute. This platform covers ingredient grinding, precise formulation, and commercial sterilization, assisting in creating an optimal model for factories to quickly produce high-quality plant-based milk products. In addition, we have integrated the Smart Beverage Modulation System, which combines customized formulation modules with IoT smart technology. With simple operation, delicious and healthy drinks can be prepared. This technology can be applied in various settings, such as handcrafted beverage shops, convenience stores, and fitness centers, addressing issues like manpower shortage and quality control challenges faced by the current made-to-order beverage industry. With the most comprehensive testing field and a dedicated center for the development of professional smart equipment in Asia, we are here to assist you in your entrepreneurial journey.